interruptions along the main supply route. Then it is our responsibility to ensure that the road is clear and there is free movement of people, goods, and services. And in doing so, we shall be providing operational support to the IT national police. Okay? So, as we are conducting our operations, at times when the camps realize that we are deployed in large numbers, they can also decide to target the stations that are nearby. So in case they do so, then we also provide them with operational support, so that the stations are not overrun. The ground, the area of coverage is between Port-au-Prince here in the city, the central business area, the port. And later we shall be shown the routes.